Right there. Hi, it's a police.
Just take me to jail.
No. Relax. What's going on?
I had a fight with my boyfriend and I
fight with
hit
your
the car
Okay,
and I
relax.
drank. I'm drunk.
Okay, alright, come over here. Sit over, come over here. Look, take a seat.
I'm sorry.
Take a seat.
No, I'm okay.
I want you to take a seat, please.
Okay.
Okay? Take a seat. Alright, what happened? Tell me what happened. Okay. Alright, you were coming from where? This way? Alright. Listen, EMS is gonna come, okay?
I know, I'm not gonna go to jail.
Listen, right now we're gonna get you some help, okay? The EMS is coming, okay? The ambulance.
I'm fine.
This protocol. We're gonna check you out, okay?
Really?
Alright? We're gonna check you out. Just relax. Everything's gonna be okay. Just relax, okay?
Am I gonna go to jail?
Listen,
I'm scared
let's get you ambulance first, check you out. And then we'll go from there, okay? But right now, let's get you checked out, alright?
Okay, but I'm sorry.
Okay, you were by yourself in the car?
Yeah.
You were by yourself? Okay,
You
alright.
cheated me,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Alright, relax. Okay, where's your documents at? Your ID?
It's in my car.
I'll get it. Where is it? I'll get it.
It's in there,
Okay,
in my purse.
Alright, just take a seat.
I'm
from
not like doing anything. I'm sorry.
Okay. Alright.
I'm sorry.
Tell me, okay?
I got it right here.
You got it? This party's a little unconscious. Where's your ID? Is it in here? Where? In the middle? Pink purse? Where's your pink purse at? Alright, no, don't go inside. No, listen to me. Okay, alright, just stand over there for me, okay? Stand over there. This one right here? Alright. Where are you from?
Brazil, like Linden.
Okay.
I was just mad at him and I left and cause whatever.
How much did you drink today?
I drank a little.
What's a little? You gotta be honest with me. What's
Okay, so like I had like a bottle of wine.
Okay.
Cause I found out he cheated on me and I was really mad. And like that's not fair.
Okay, listen.
I'm sorry. Like I don't mean
Don't be sorry, okay? Don't be sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay? Relax.
Why are you guys here? I'm so sorry.
What car were you in? The car that was driving?
I received
Okay.
response to
I'm sorry.
Don't be mad. It's
Do you need an
okay.
ambulance? You okay? What?
Alright, so
I feel really bad.
don't feel bad. Where did you come from? Here in Elizabeth?
Yeah. That's where he lived.
And what happened with you and your boyfriend?
You know, like cheated on me and like I was mad and
Listen.
sorry.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, alright,
I
listen.
feel really bad.
It's okay. You wanna take a seat? Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I love you. No, I'm sorry.
Alright?
Am I gonna go to jail?
I don't know what's gonna happen, okay?
Oh yeah, then I'm just gonna.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
I'm so scared. Am I gonna
Okay.
get free?
They're gonna check you out, okay?
I'm scared. Like I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Alright, do you have any injuries or anything?
No,
Alright, so would you like to go to the hospital?
no. I'm scared. I'm sorry.
All right, man. Yeah. All right.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's all right.
I'm so sorry.
Just take her back in the ambulance, let her relax back there. She's not out in the street.
All right.
I'm so scared.
Come on, just come on.
You're gonna go in the back in the ambulance with them. You're not taking it anywhere. You're just gonna sit there and relax, okay?
It's all right. You're okay. It's all right. You're okay. You're all okay. You're okay. All right.
I got you.
Good? Yeah, she is.
Oh, man.
Talk to the hospital.
I'm sorry?
I'm trying to figure out what it was.
Oh, okay.
And I found out we were really shit on me, and I was stupid, and I got my dad's car. Like, I'm sorry.
What's your name?
20%. Good.
What's your birthday? Phone number? And you have any medical? And you admitted to
Like, I did everything wrong. Like, yeah.
so you drank.
Yeah, I'm drunk.
What did you have? Just like liquor, beer,
Just wine.
wine?
White wine. You don't agree to. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't think.
I'm just gonna take a quick set of vitals.
I'm scared.
No worries.
Am I gonna go to jail?
This is
Oh, come on, bro.
Sure. Do me a favor, hold that like that. Thank you.
Oh, my sweater fell.
Just relax that arm, hold that with that hand. How you doing, man? Alright. Good. Just use your finger. Alright, good. Alright, do you want to go to the hospital for anything? Did you hit your head or
No, I want to go to jail.
you didn't hit your head or anything like that? Lose consciousness? Okay. Alright, so good here? Saying that you don't want to go to the hospital.
Can I just have her name for the report?
Yeah. Yeah, just give me my first name, last name, birthday, so you have it. It's, alright. What do we do? She doesn't want to go to the hospital.
Hello, police person. How are they?
How are you?
Hi, dear.
Hi. Oh. And my father's like all the way. Like,
What, huh?
Well, she doesn't want to go to the hospital.
Okay.
what's gonna happen? I'm gonna like go to jail.
Alright, so.
I don't know. That's not up to me. I'm the ambulance. I'm here to make sure you're okay. So, do you want to go to the hospital?
Natural MDA.
Sure.
Can you kill somebody for me?
So, yeah, there's things like that you shouldn't say. Like, he's got a camera on.
Yeah, me too.
1025 with a case for
I hear your boyfriend's not being very nice right now.
Whatever.
Sorry.
We're to jail, right?
She's good, right?
Yeah.
To jail.
Alright, so we're gonna do a test, alcohol test.
I'm drunk.
We have to, okay?
But I'm drunk.
I understand that, but we have to, okay? So I'm gonna ask some questions, and then you're gonna do what I tell you, okay? Come on.
No, but you know I am. What do I do?
I'm gonna explain to you everything right now, okay? Relax. Listen, no, you can't drink and drive, you know that. Okay, relax.
Everybody's looking at me.
That's okay, we're over here so no one can see us, okay?
I'm already gonna.
Relax. Yo, Brian, can you hold this?
Change the location of that shop.
Alright, you okay? Relax, okay? Let's just get this out of the way, okay? Okay. You wearing glasses or no?
No.
Alright. I'm gonna check your eyes, okay? Alright, keep your head still, and you're gonna follow exactly what I tell you, okay? Right. Don't move your head. You understand? Okay. So what you're gonna do is it's called the walk and turn. Basically, you're gonna put your left foot on the line like this, and then you're gonna go straight 9 times. 1, 2, all the way till you get 9, and then you're gonna turn around. Okay? You're gonna turn around, and you're gonna do 9 again. Okay? You
So I
understand?
just go 9 times?
Yeah.
Okay.
So listen. Put your left foot on the line and put your right foot in front of yours, like that. So keep it straight, and then hands down. Hands down.
Okay, hold on.
Relax. Take your time. Keep your feet like this. See this?
Yeah.
Keep your hands on the side, and then you're gonna go 1, 2. And you're gonna look at me. Don't look down, okay? Look at me. You understand? So this, like this, all the way 9. Okay? Let me finish the instructions. When I tell you to do so, you're gonna do it, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Put your left foot on the line and put your right foot in front of it with your right heel touching your left toe. Keep your hands on your side. Not yet, okay? Do not start until I tell you to do so.
Okay.
Alright? Do you understand the directions I just told you?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel toe steps on the line, okay?
This is like, I don't know.
And then you're gonna turn around, keeping 1 foot in the line. You keep 1 foot in the line, and then you're gonna turn around. Okay?
So I go 9 times.
9
and
times.
Then turn around.
Correct. On the 9th step, keep the front foot on the line and turn by taking several small steps by turning. You understand? Small steps.
No, I don't know.
Small steps, turning, when you turn around. Okay?
I speak Portuguese, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Alright. While walking, watch your feet at all times. Keep arms at the side and count the steps out loud. So, 1, 2. No, keep your hands down. There you go, like that. Alright? Go back a little bit. We'll start from back there. So no one can see you, okay?
Yes, repeat me.
Alright, that's good right there. That's good. Alright, it's a well-lit area right here, okay?
Okay, let's
You see a light, correct? See a light over there?
Yes, I
Okay,
see light.
alright.
Beautiful.
Alright.
Then I just walk.
Do not stop until I tell you to stop. Okay? Alright? Alright, you can begin.
1, 2.
No,
3.
put your hands down, like this, down. Sideways. Sideways, and then you go 1, 2, 3, until you hit 9. Okay? Start back. Go back again.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Go back. Go back one more time. No, start over again. Alright. Feet together. Hands down. Put your right foot in front. Here you go. Well, out loud.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
9.
Okay,
10.
now turn around. Small steps. Now do it again.
And then I walk back.
Go do 9 steps.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, turn around. Alright, stay there, okay? Feet together, arms on the side. Alright? Alright, we're gonna do one more test, okay? One more test. You okay? Alright, let's get out of the way, okay? Alright, put your heels together and your arms at your side. Heels together, arms at your side. Okay? Do not begin the test until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Okay. You want a minute?
That's her. No, I got it.
Okay. When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg. Either leg. It can be the left side or the right one. Doesn't matter. Approximately 6 inches from the ground. So together, 6 inches from the ground like this. Okay?
Okay.
Foot parallel to the ground. Keep both legs straight and keep your eyes on the elevated foot. You understand? So you're going to keep your eyes on the foot. Okay? Alright. While holding that position, count out loud. 1, 1,000. 2, 2,000. 3, 3,000. Okay?
I don't get it. Like, I don't know.
You don't get it? So feet together.
Okay.
And you're going to push your right foot up. And you're going to look at it. Look at it.
Okay.
And you're going to count. You're going to count 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Okay? Can you do that for me?
Okay.
Come up a little. Come down a little bit. Come down. Come down. Okay. Feet together.
Okay.
Hands on the side. Put either foot, either which one you want up.
Okay. Hold on.
Remember, don't move your arms. Okay?
I got it.
Alright, try it. Alright, try again. Start again.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000.
Put your hands on the side like this. On the side.
Oh, I'm
Like that.
sorry.
Okay? All the way on the side. Like that.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5.
Okay. Okay. One more time. One more time. One more time.
With the same leg or the other leg?
Doesn't matter. Either leg you want. Okay?
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000.
You have to
5,
keep your arms
1,000.
like this. Look. Like this.
1, 1,000.
There you go. All the way in. All the way in. All the way in.
1,
Go.
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. That was a little excessive.
Okay, the fire truck was lost, so let's try this again. Okay?
Okay.
Try this again.
Okay, hold on.
Remember, hands down, feet together, one up.
1,
Okay?
1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, put your hands behind your back, alright?
I know it.
You're under arrest for drinking while driving, okay?
What's gonna happen to me? Like, am I gonna die? Because I've never been to, like, jail. How long am I gonna be in, like...
We'll make it quick, okay? We're gonna make it quick, alright? Let's go.
No, like, what's gonna happen? Because I have nobody here. Am I gonna be, like, in jail forever?
Tell me, okay?
I'm sorry.
What's up? Let me tell the boss over here. Sergeant. Alright, we're gonna have one under. Time check.
Can you not hold my arm? Because I feel weird.
You'll be okay. Listen. You shouldn't have to drink and drive, okay? You know that. I understand you're having...
Talking to me. I don't like you.
You don't like me? Okay.
Damn, my car.
Where's my car? Where's the car? Alright, just hang out. We'll hang out here until he gets the car. He wants to get the car. Huh? So wait for the sergeant to come back.
Yeah, we have to have this right now.
Yours?
No, I'm supposed to make a copy of this one.
Is that
Sergeant. Yo! Are you busy? Can you help me out with an alcohol test? Alcohol wash? One female. We're on Rahway Ave passing CVS. Alright, thank you, brother. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna do some paperwork for you. Fingerprints, pictures. Hey, you're in good hands, alright? And then you'll be free in a couple hours, okay? Do you have any family, any mom, dad, no one? You don't have anyone? Still in Brazil? Okay. What about sisters, brothers, no one?
Nobody.
Okay. Alright, listen, we'll figure it out for you, okay? If we have to get you a We're you live with your boyfriends, right? You live by yourself? Alright. Okay. Don't be scared, you're in good hands. You're right. Okay? Paper. We'll be sorry, okay? We'll be sorry.
Headquarters to November 13th.
40.
November 2613 is not available.
Day one vibes.
Unbelievable.
7 Baker Circle.
Unbelievable. We should have found that
Go
guy.
ahead.
Can you put me on 10 Baker's job, please?
Transport.
Huh? Don't be sorry. Listen, as long as you're okay, alright?
Headquarters to 15 Baker. Headquarters to 15 Baker.
15.
Call 2111, please.
Don't be scared, it's easy, okay? Listen, we're here to help you, okay? What, tonight? We're gonna do your paperwork, we're gonna take some pictures, okay? So you're gonna sign some papers and then you're gonna go home. We'll take you home if anything, okay? Alright? Okay? So this is your current address, right?
But that's not my first. Because that's like if I got divorced.
So what's the current one right now? What's your phone number again, Tisha? I didn't hear you. What bail? You're gonna be out. You don't need to. No one has to bail you out though. Not today, no.
Fine.
We can put us out of headquarters. The knowledge is 26702 vehicle 110.
21.
We'll take you home with me, okay? We'll figure it out later, okay?
Headquarters to Power 1.
You got a second?
Can you assist 10 Baker? 15 minutes at headquarters.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, here's a Michael Kors bag that was under the back seat,
Okay.
and her phone's inside, okay?
Thank you so much.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.